We've all been here in our car and we go to turn our wipers on and look at how streaky they are. They're worn out. They're done. They're toast. Who wants this to be looking through? So today, join me on changing my windshield wipers on my Toyota Camry. So we're gonna start by lifting these up, and then there is a little hook here. You're just gonna push this out. This pretty much pops right out. Other way. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the other side. We're just gonna pull it out. Set this up here. And bring it forward. I find squeezing it in a little helps because you just got to get it to pop out of the hook. You just got these little pieces of plastic here. See if these pop out. That just hook into here. Now we're going to come over here. We're going to grab the new wipers. We have two different sizes. As you can see, there's a 19 and a 24 inch wiper. So we'll start with the 24. 24. And one thing I did notice is that it's missing the hook. So I'm going to reuse the hook. From here, this is going to go in one direction. Clip this on. Hopefully it clips on. Yep. Come in here. May have been easier to put the hook on first, but let's see. Squeeze and push, and we're in. Nope, we're not. We never made the hook. So, trying to reuse hardware. Since for whatever reason somebody took the hardware out of my packaging. I hope I don't have to run back to the store, but okay. We'll come back to this. First we're gonna do this one. Since this one should be nice and easy. Boom. This one has the hardware, so good thing that both of them aren't missing the hardware. And that's on. So that one was easy. This one now, I have to get this hardware. So this hardware has to clip this way. Okay, so if I'm clipping that way, there we go, and we're in. All right. So now let's move the old stuff out of the way. Let's just see how it works. I give it a little power. Turn that off. The new ones wipe everything up nice. Oh, there you have it. I just upgraded the windshield wipers on my Toyota. Till next time, I'm Bill and I'm out.